To begin, drape the tie around your neck. The key is positioning. Your shirt collar should be up. The wide end, the active end of the tie, must hang significantly lower than the narrow end, the passive end. The wide end needs enough length to wrap around the narrow end several times and still thread through the final loop. The diagram shows the optimal starting position. Now we begin the movement. Take the wide end of the tie and cross it over the narrow end towards your left. Next, and this is illustrated in the diagram, bring the wide end underneath the narrow end, pulling it back towards your right. This completes the first foundational wrap around the narrow core. Continuing from the previous position, take the wide end and bring it horizontally across the front of the narrow end, moving from your right to your left. As shown in the diagram, you are essentially creating a horizontal bar or bridge over the core structure. You should hold this structure loosely. This creates the precise front loop through which the tie will be threaded in the next step. This is the critical step. Take the wide end and pull it upward into the large neck loop from underneath, passing between your collar and the nascent knot. Once it is through the neck loop, direct the tip of the wide end downward, threading it specifically through the front loop you just created in step 3, the horizontal bridge. The diagram clearly illustrates this final passage. You are almost done. The tie is threaded but loose. To tighten the knot, hold the narrow end steady and gently slide the knot upward toward your collar. The diagram shows the final result, the completed 4-in-hand knot, which is slightly slender and asymmetrical. For the perfect finish, use your index finger to create a small dimple, a fold just below the knot, before doing the final tightening. Tighten the knot until it is snug against your top button, then button your collar down.